Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I'll go over top 9 important things to check if you are a new driver in order to have a safe driving on the road. Tires are one of the most important part of the car. You can know the tire manufacturer by this number. Most of tire manufacturers recommending changing tires after 6 years. But when you see cracked sign like this, even if the slot depth is good, the tire must be replaced. Safe driving needs clear visibility. Whenever you notice the wiper is not cleaning well, the wiper rubbers might be damaged. You just have to buy the same length wiper and replace it. And replacing very easy. You just have to lift the arm, pull up this plastic, and push the wiper down and it comes off just like that. Here I got the same size brand new wipers. The installation will be reverse of how we removed it. Using windshield fluid will prevent these nozzles from clogging up. I have a video showed how to make your own windshield fluid at home. I will put the video in the description box below and YouTube card if you want to check it out. There will be a full and low level on the radiator reservoir. Add if it was on the low level with the same color when the engine is cold. And never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. If you have a low brake fluid, don't just add it up. You might have a low brake pad, and after replacing the brake pads, the fluid level will get back to max level again. Another thing you should be checking once a while is the brake hoses. If there was a crack on the hose, it must be replaced immediately. Your car's engine oil type written on the cap, or check owner's manual to know the oil type. Checking engine oil level is very easy. Just pull the dipstick and wipe it clean. Anything above this dot is too much. Anything below this dot is a low oil. It should be between the dots. And we are at the safe range. Your car's engine filter is a source of breathing. Dirty filters cause bad fuel economy. Whenever it gets dirty like this, replace it with a new one. Most cars' tire pressure labeled here or inside the fuel door. Make sure the tires at this pressure when you're filling up. Engine belt must be checked once a while. If it looked cracked like this, it means it's time to replace it. Alright, and the last thing is the battery. Have you tried to turn on the car and it makes this sound? Whenever the terminals get salty like this, it will have a poor connection. And the second scenario is when the battery is the problem. You can know that by the color of this glass. Green, good and charged like mine, just the terminals are dirty. White, you need to add distilled water. Black, when the battery not holding the charge, needs to be replaced, or the alternator not charging the battery. You can clean the terminals with mixture of baking soda, water, and a wire brush. And that was my 9 top things to check if you are a new driver. If the video was helpful and learned something new, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.